Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. I am Rupal ma'am and I welcome you all in our maths class. Children, you have learnt pre-number concept in your earlier sessions. So today we will be revising few of them. So are you ready? Let's start. The first pre-number concept is full and empty. Full means containing something, having no space in it. And empty means containing nothing. Full मतलब भरा हुआ, empty मतलब खाली. Now, children, let us all say it together. Full, empty. Full, empty. One more time. Full, empty. Full, empty. Full, empty. Full, empty. The second pre-number concept is left and right. Children, join both the thumb fingers and you can see alphabet L. On which hand can you see alphabet L? Yes. So, this is our left hand and other hand is right hand. जिस हाथ में L बनता है उसे हम कहेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड और दूसरा हाथ हमारा राइट हैंड होता है. चलो बच्चों, हम सब साथ में बोलेंगे लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट. The third pre-number concept is sit and stand. Sit का मतलब है बैठना और stand का मतलब है खड़े होना. So, let us now say it together. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand. The fourth pre-number concept is far and near. Far means anything or any object which is at a distance from us. And near means anything or any object at a short distance from us. Far मतलब दूर, near मतलब पास. Children, say with me. Far, near, far, near, far, near, far, near. Now I will give you a practice worksheet.
Children, this is the practice worksheet. Here there are 4 boxes given. In the first box, you have to circle the box which is empty. जो बॉक्स खाली है उसे आपको सर्कल करना है. In the second picture, circle the ship which is near. जो शिप पास में दिख रही है उसे हमें सर्कल करना है. In the third picture, you have to circle the girl who is sitting. जो लड़की बैठी हुई है उस पर आपको सर्कल बनाना है. In the fourth picture, you have to circle the monkey showing his left hand. जो बंदर अपना लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर कर रहा है उसे आपको सर्कल करना है.
Children, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.